lovelies, welcome back to Onyx Food Hill. I hope you all are doing great today. In this video, I'll be showing you an easy snickerdoodle recipe that is super delicious. These snickerdoodles are really simple but delicious cookies that I would love you to give a try soon, since everyone loved them in my house. And without much thought, let's get into the recipe. You can start by preheating your oven first to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Then line your baking sheet with parchment paper and set aside. In a medium-sized bowl, sieve in 3 cups of all-purpose flour. And to that, add 1 teaspoon of cream of tartar, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, half teaspoon of salt, and a 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Whisk that to combine nicely and then set aside. In another bowl, combine 2 cups of soft butter with 1 1/4 cup of sugar. Beat that for a couple of minutes until you have a pale white creamy mixture just like this. Go ahead and add in 2 eggs. I'll choose to add 1 at a time and then beat until everything is well blended. You can also add 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract and beat again until the mixture is well combined and smooth. Now slowly pour in your dry ingredients into the wet ingredients and mix well with a spatula to incorporate nicely. You can add that in batches and mix as you go. Once you have a smooth batter, keep the bowl in the freezer for 1 hour to rest. This will allow the mixture to firm up and also help in the shaping process. Just before you take out the bowl from the freezer, make the toppings for the snickerdoodles by simply combining 1 tablespoon of ground cinnamon with 5 tablespoons of granulated sugar. Mix that to combine nicely. And then go ahead and remove the batter from the freezer. Use a tablespoon or an ice cream scoop to fetch the dough. You just need about a tablespoon of the dough. Now roll it in your palms to form a small ball. Dip the ball into the cinnamon sugar mixture and roll to coat. Once the ball is nicely covered with the sugar and cinnamon mixture, place on the baking sheet and then repeat with the remaining batter until you are done. Make sure to arrange each cookie to about 3 inches apart so they don't stick together well in the oven. So when you are done with all the balls, you can lightly press them down with the back of a spoon to flatten them a bit. Now bake your snickerdoodles in the preheated oven for about 10 to 12 minutes. Take it out and leave it to cool. Once you notice slightly golden color on the edges, take your cookie out of the oven. It will continue to cook as it cools down. Let this cool down for 10 minutes before you serve it. And as snickerdoodles are out of the oven, they smell really great. You will need to give this a try and see for yourself. Friends, these are absolutely the best snickerdoodles that you ever tasted. You can see that smells really good. There's nothing like a warm stack of freshly baked snickerdoodle with a tall glass of milk. It feels really refreshing. Do give this a try and let me know what you think in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up and you can share this video with your friends and loved ones. Until next time guys, I love to see you soon. Bye!